Learning Japanese through Folktales. Shitakiri Suzume. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a kind-hearted old man. One day, the old man found a small sparrow with an injured wing in the forest. The kind old man took the sparrow home, treated its feathers, and fed it. The sparrow was touched by the old man's kindness and quickly became attached to it. However, the old man had an old woman who was very mean and greedy. She hated sparrows and was always complaining about them. One day, the old woman made rice paste to starch her laundry. When she took her eyes off the sparrows, they pecked at the paste and ate it. The old woman was furious. In her anger, the sparrow was caught and its tongue was cut off with a pair of sharp scissors. The sparrow, with its tongue cut off, flapped its wings as hard as it could to escape the wicked old woman and flew off to a mountain far, far away. The old man was so worried that he went out to look for the sparrow. After a long search, the old man finally reached a hidden place deep in the mountains. There, the little sparrow whom the old man had helped was there. The sparrow was so happy to see the old man that he and his many friends gave him a warm welcome. The sparrows entertained the old man by preparing a delicious feast and dancing. And when it was time to say goodbye, the sparrows brought him 2 beautiful baskets. One was big and heavy, and the other was small and light. "Grandpa, please take home whichever you like as a souvenir," the sparrow said. The old man carefully carried the small basket on his back and returned home. When he opened it, he found many treasures inside, including sparkling gold coins and beautiful jewels. When the greedy old woman saw the treasure, she thought to herself that if the small box contained so much treasure, the big one must contain even more. So she made up her mind to get the big treasure and went out to look for the sparrow's house. When the old woman finally found the sparrow's house, she cried out, "Give me the big box! Hurry!" The sparrows handed the big box to the old woman. The old woman was so happy that she hurried home and opened the box with a pounding heart. But what a surprise! What came out of the basket was not a glittering treasure, but a horde of disgusting creatures. And so, the kind old man lived happily ever after, thanks to the treasure given to him by the kind sparrows. Meanwhile, the greedy old woman learned a very important lesson that day. Being greedy and spiteful will never make you happy.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.